heading to Canterbury right now. I'm gonna try to get some food. I'm gonna get embutido from ate and also biko. Tomorrow's gonna be my birthday, so yeah, that's why I'm getting ready. So I'm heading to the car right now. Okay. So yeah, I had to redo the vlog because the thing is my hair was crappy earlier. But anyway, how are you going, guys? I haven't been uploading in the vlog because I haven't been editing, and I'm backlogged on my other things to do, just like the Queensland trip. Yeah, I'm backlogged with editing, and so is my business editing. So I'm just gonna pause, and I'm not gonna stress myself out. I'm gonna pause on editing and that. By the way, tomorrow's my birthday. That's why I'm vlogging back right now. I'm gonna try to do a pull out, do some video and hang out with friends. But anyway, just to recap, yeah, I might post it in a future video. Laura got me a drone. Yeah, I got the Mavic Pro 2, and then yeah, Hasselblad lens is very good. I'm gonna try to fly tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll try to vlog tomorrow. So yeah, this is where I am now, and that's it. Anyway, I need to drive. I'm trying to get embutido and biko for my birthday. Not that much food. It's my 40th. Damn it, it's 40th. I'm 40. Shit. Anyway, I'm gonna get some food, but not a big party. Just happy to be alive.
Approved applicants only. Terms and conditions apply. Maximum finance term of 48 months.
Okay, I just got myself. What the heck? Okay, so okay, I just got myself the. What is that? Yeah, I just got my. Shut up. I got myself the biko and embutido, and I'm gonna get the ngoyong by what day is it? Sunday. So yeah, that's it for now. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's my birthday today, and yeah, my film day. Because the thing is, I didn't film. I didn't do my project the past few days, so like I'm running out of time now. And yeah, we're supposed to meet around 3 a.m. with Carlo, and yeah, I'm still on my way there because I went back to sleep, and yeah, running out of time. We're trying to get the sunrise shot at Benalla, so let's do it. My tongue is a bit tongue-tied because I didn't have any sleep. I was just laying there doing what I usually do. But yeah, we're on our way there. It should be awesome. Trying to shoot in 4K right now. I'm shooting on NTSC, which is around 24 frames. Here in Australia, we're PAL, which is 50 frames or 25 frames. But I'm changing it because I want to get 24 frames. Why am I explaining it to you guys? Anyway, yeah, gotta go. It's kind of dark because I'm using the f4 lens, and I'm using the A65 for today. So yeah, I'm not using the A7 III, the powerful badass, because it's heavy, and this camera is really light. It's cold. Hope we can get some fog shots. Oh my goodness, my tongue is getting tired. Anyway, good morning, guys. It's around 3:30. Yeah, it's around 3:30 in the morning. We're a bit late, 30 minutes. I'll be arriving there. Yeah, I'm late. Anyway, that's what it is. I was supposed to be filming, but yeah, I'm not filming anymore. I'm just flying my drone. Hey, my Carl is there behind me. He filmed me earlier. So we're out here in the road. I don't know where it's leading, but yeah, I don't know what to say. Just yeah, he's taking a photo of me now. Yeah, it's my birthday today. I'm nowhere. It's weird that we're still up. We haven't been sleeping. We've been driving and haven't been sleeping, so like it's weird that we're up now.
It goes down there.
That's a lot of planning, man. Microphone's there, no microphone, but I'm vlogging on an A6500 on a gimbal. I'm talking like this is your everyday dad. No, like that. Did you make that one yourself as well?
Yeah. So I bought the airframe and
Nice.
yeah, fitted all the electronics and make the antennas like the helical.
Okay, I'm gonna start vlogging now, but the thing is, I think my camera's running out of batteries already. So like, I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know how it's gonna, I don't know, but yeah, silos. It's not. Hey, this one's good. It's not well positioned as I wanted, but yeah, that's it. Silos. Yeah. So yeah, we're here at the Devonish Silo Art. So obviously it's an art, and yeah, I don't know anything about. I just know a little thing. I don't know much about it, but yeah, nothing. You can just look at it on Google, but yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, basically that's it. So yeah, I don't know anything. Just gonna show you that. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's go somewhere else. One thing with traveling on Good Friday is that all the stores are most likely closed. Like this place here looks like a ghost town. Nobody's here. I can only see tourists just like us, and just like in the movies, there's some movies wherein there's nobody in the place, and suddenly there are zombies and vampires and werewolves. So it could happen here, I think. I don't know. Okay, vlogging now, and I need to cross the road, but there's a lot of cars everywhere. Where am I gonna cross the road? So as you can see there, those are the artworks here. I just wanted to take one photo. So welcome to Benalla. We drove early this morning just to take some videos, take some photos, and I want to see the artworks. These are the artworks here in Benalla. But yeah, the problem was when we arrived at the first location, which was the marsh or that wetlands. Thing is, it was dry. Like I was thinking it was like a big lake, but there was nothing there. It was so dry. So everything died down. I just lost it. But anyway, we're heading home. I'm just gonna finish the video when I get home. And yeah, we left at around 3 a.m. back in Melbourne, and we didn't sleep. So like, yeah, we didn't have any sleep. So right now I'm heading back there because I'm just gonna finish the video back home in Melbourne. Yeah, too much hassle doing it here, and we haven't had much rest. I wanna edit, look at my drone shots. But yeah, that's it for today. Not even that much. So I don't know if this video is dark or if it's okay, if it's just fine or anything. But yeah, we just finished our trip. I'm near home now, and yeah, it's a disappointing time. It's a disappointing trip because the thing is, we thought the lake was like wetlands. Yeah, it's not wet, and I couldn't find that water tank with graffiti on it. So yeah, I really like camera, but anyway, yeah, just gonna make another video. I'm just gonna go home, rest, and just do another video later. Ciao guys.